Oh, maybe it's time for a sweet treat. Psst, check this out. It's a mini toilet filled with candy. And I'm gonna dunk my lollipop into it.
Wow! It looks so tasty!
Good one. Wait, you're serious? We were supposed to be bros. I need to get it right in there. You could have flushed first. I'm gonna enjoy this. This is so humiliating. Yummy. Try it.
Can I? Here I come!
No! Not the nerd! Stop!
Grim! I love playing with Lego. It's the best! Pew! Take that! Pew pew! Whoa, I feel so alive. That was fun. What'll I do now? Oh, look at that. A football. I must have it. I'll just go and pick it up. Wait. There's a lot of Lego on the floor. Maybe I should tidy up first. Nice and slow.
Ah, this is so relaxing. Wait, is that a giant foot? Ah!
Phew. So far so good. This is easy. Gotta keep my balance. Uh-oh. My foot! Ah! It hurts! It's okay. Just breathe out the pain. But it's really sore. It must be a huge piece of Lego.
Less of the body shaming, buddy!
Stupid Lego. Ooh, I have an idea. And all I need is this tape. Hehe, I'm a genius! I'll start by wrapping the tape around my arm. I can put it all over my body. I don't want to miss any spots. Especially around my head. I'm ready. Now I just need to roll over the floor and the Lego will stick to the tape. Oh, that's a big pile. This really speeds things up. You could say I'm using my head.
This kid is weird. No!
This is great fun! I wish I could pick up all my toys like this. Now I'll put them in the bucket.
What is going on? This better not be a regular thing! Selfie! This is humiliating!
That's it all. I wish I'd thought of this earlier. Now I can get that football. You're mine! What a day. Huh? It's stuck! I didn't think this through. Ugh, this is so annoying. Wow, this is amazing. I can't take my eyes off of it. I think this is my new favorite show. This popcorn is tasty. I want more. It's yummy. I could eat this all day. That was good. Aw, it's almost empty. Fine, I'll go get more. Oops. I might have made a mess. It would be a shame to waste it. Nah, I can't eat it. I need some help to clean this up. Oh, Robovac, I hope you're hungry. Go do your thing.
Food!
It saves me doing any housework.
It's tasty. Maybe needs a little more salt.
Just look at that. I'm so proud. You're doing great. You're my best friend. What would I do without you? Make sure you get it all. This is your dinner. Huh? What was that?
Ooh.
No! That's mine!
Too late. Gimme!
No! Stop! Bad Robovac! This is human food!
I want that popcorn. And I'll get it.
What are you doing? No! Phew. Made it on time. Hi, miss. I'm ready to learn. Nah, just kidding. Oh, Jared. You and your wacky humor. Let's begin. I'm not promising anything, but I'll try and pay attention. What is that noise? Jared? Wake up! Oh, right. I should learn or something. That's the point of school. So, as I was saying, this class is so boring. I need a pick-me-up. And I have just the thing in my bag. Huh? What's that doing in here? Nope. Don't need that. Ah, my soda. Did you ever think math could be so much fun? Jared! Just look at it. It's perfect. No food or drink in class, Jared! Really? Fine, but I'm not happy about it. Pay attention. This will be on the exam class. Now's my chance. I've missed you. Give me that! Get your own! I'm getting dizzy. I mean it, Jared. I can do this all day. Bring it on. I don't feel so good. It's mine. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh my! I was not expecting that. Oops.
What's going on in here? No! It can't be! It's not what it looks like. A 523. sticky substance on the floor. I heard about this in cleaning college, but I've never seen one in the wild. I'm not cleaning that up.
This is all your fault. Whatever.
Just speed things up. This is taking too long. I need to get everything ready for the party. I want it to be perfect. The decorations are ready, and the food's nearly done. I want it right now. But I need to resist. Phew, this is tough. I'll make some wraps. Ah, mayo. That's what I need.
Hola, how are you?
I just love mayonnaise. That lid's on tight. Ugh.
No, I'm not opening. This mayo is staying shut.
Phew, it's really stuck on there. Maybe I should try a different approach. I'll try and pry the lid off.
Stop it! Don't point that thing at me! Back off, lady!
Okay, that's not gonna work. I could use my teeth. My dentist will never know.
Really? We're actually doing this? This is gonna be good.
Ouch! That was maybe a bad idea. What am I gonna do? Hang on. This balloon might come in handy. This will definitely work. I'll place the balloon on the lid. Then I'll let the air out, and it will mold around the lid.
What is this? I look ridiculous. Seriously?
Now I just need to twist the lid off. I can finally put the mayo onto the tortilla wraps. That should be enough.
What is this? I don't know, but it's comfortable. Hey, look at me.
I'll just spread it out. Then add the sausages. And some cheese. Now I can roll it up. This is gonna be tasty.
Let me out of here! You're in trouble, lady!
Now I can relax. Huh? My guests are here!
Let's party!
This is so exciting! I'm so glad you're here! Aw, you shouldn't have. Help yourself to the food.
Thanks, I'm so hungry.
It smells good.
And it tastes good. It's so tasty. No! You monster! What are you doing? Let me out of here!
Ugh, this class is so dull. Shh, I'm trying to read. You're such a nerd. Ugh, this gum has no flavor. I'm done with it. What a shot! Did you see that? That was fun while it lasted.
Shh, you're ruining my book.
Maybe I can have some fun. I just need this candy. Whoa! Where am I? I always wanted to travel. Now this might hurt. This is the life! Wait, what are you doing? Ah! No! I'll fill the candy with this blue food coloring. No! Stop it! I already had a shower today! You're messing up my hair! Please, this is just mean! Wow, it changed color. I don't need this anymore. Is it over? Hold on, something's different. Am I blue? This is gonna be so good. Hey, Jared!
Go away.
I have some candy for you. I don't work in this color. I'm in it. I look good.
Wait, did you say candy? For me? Gimme!
If you say so.
Ooh, it looks yummy. It doesn't taste as good as I thought it would. It's a little disappointing. Is my tongue blue?
Well, my work here is done. It looks good. There's nothing like a makeover.
No! What have you done?
Me? I don't know what you're talking about.
Watch this.
Wow! I'm flying! This is so cool! I love your lipstick. I need to borrow it sometime.
Huh?
Aw, we're all friends. Did you guys see that?
It's no big deal. Oh, I better go. Mom will be waiting.
Bye, Jared. Bye! Have a good day! Wait! Come back! What about me? Snack time! What should I have? Ooh, these marshmallows look good. So do the crackers. But what do I eat first? This is a tough decision. But I'll go for the marshmallow.
Take me! Take me!
Don't listen to him! Take me! Take me! Now, I don't know. Got it! I'll have both! I'll make a marshmallow sandwich!
Aw, this is cozy.
We're besties now! This is a great idea! But something's missing. I'll add some cream. This will make it even better!
Is it snowing?
Ha! You have something on your head! I'm gonna enjoy this!
Whoa. Hold it, young lady. What do you think you're doing? No snacks before dinner.
But Dad, it looks amazing! disgusting!
I don't care. If you want a snack, have an apple. Hello, friend. Take me. I'm nice and crunchy.
This is a joke, right?
Give it a try. You'll be surprised.
Oh well. I can still have fun. Guys, say hello to Mr. Apple.
It's so nice to meet new people. So I'm an apple. I'm originally from a tree.
Oh no! They're arguing! Things are getting out of control! The apple looks mad!
You wanna throw down? Come at me, bro. Wait. Don't hurt me. I bruise easily. Fooled ya.
Wait a minute. Dad's not around. I can eat this. I've been looking forward to this.
Whoa, that's not pretty. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. I'm so glad that wasn't me. Phew. Ugh, I'm so tired. I'm having a lazy day. Ooh, that looks gooey. Huh? A call. Hello? Bro, you need to get to the park. There's free donuts. You need to hurry. Ooh, I like donuts, but I think I'm gonna pass this time. I've got a cough. I think I'm ill. What? Did I mention robots are handing out the donuts? Huh? You're breaking up. I can't hear you. Phew. I think that was pretty convincing. Now I'm gonna lay on the couch and sleep. The pillow is nice and fluffy. Wait. I don't remember buying that.
Hey, how's it going? Drink me! It'll be great! You won't regret it! You know you want to! Go on!
That's a pretty convincing argument. Meh, why not? What's the worst that can happen? I do like freshly brewed coffee. Ah, that hits the spot. Maybe I'll have a quick rest.
What's the big idea? I can't believe he's sleeping. Hey, wake up! What are you doing?
Mommy? What's happening?
Come on, get up! Let's do something!
What? No, I don't have time. Or a watch. But no, leave me alone.
You don't mean that. I know you don't. So it's gonna be like that, is it? Wakey wakey! Jared, look at this! Jared! Still nothing? You're no fun, Jared!
Huh? Uh-oh. I think the coffee just kicked in.
I don't get it. That usually works. Wait, Jared?
Can't talk. Working out. I've just got all this energy. I can't explain it. I feel like I could do anything.
Yeah, that's more like it! Actually… I'm pretty tired. You're doing great. I'm just gonna sit down.
Hey, come on! Wake up! Yoo-hoo!
Leave me alone. I'm just gonna have a quick nap.
I need to do something. I know. She needs some coffee. Try some of this.
What? Fine, if it'll keep you quiet. That's pretty good. Actually, it's better than that! It's great!
Oh yeah, that's it. Feel the burn.
I'm full of hot liquid. I always feel the burn. Phew, what a day. Time to relax. What's that on my nose? It's a spot! What? It's huge!
What's up? This seems like a nice place to hang out. I think I'll make myself comfortable.
Ugh, so much for my fancy cleansers. Oh, I know. I'll cover it up with some makeup.
Quit it! I have allergies. Achoo! Stop it!
Aw, that did nothing. My concealer. That should do it.
I feel so glamorous. But it's not my color.
Oh, come on! That's it! This calls for drastic measures!
Hey! Don't do it! Let's talk about this! I'm sorry. Friends?
Nah. I'm going nowhere.
Ugh! This is so annoying! My sushi's here! And boy, does it look fresh! Enjoy! Chopsticks always make me nervous. Okay, keep them steady. Hey! Watch it with those things! Ugh! Come on, let's go! I said no! Are you kidding me? I don't have time for this. The fork? Ugh, it was worth the wait. Aw, he's so cute in this photo. He actually reminds me of something tasty. Yep, this tomato. Maybe kissing this tomato will be like kissing him. Wait, is she gonna kiss me? Is she pretending I'm him? I'm not! I'm clearly a tomato! Oh, that was actually kinda nice. Better than being a salad anyway.
Would it be okay if I kiss you?
She's gonna love these flowers! What? She's kissing him now! Not fair! Life certainly would be interesting if objects could talk to us. What food or toy would you like to have a conversation with? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.